Hazrat Ali mentioned about contentment as al-qana'atu malun la yanfado. Contentment is wealth that doesn't diminish. Ashkarun nasi aqna'uhum. The most grateful person is the one who is the most contented. Elam anna marawwatal qanaati wa ridha aksara min marawwatil ata. Know that the one who is contented with the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is better than the attribute of giving to others. Al-Kanu or Rahatul Abdan. There is physical comfort in contentment. Lafi bil Kana'ati mulkan. There is no empire greater than contentment. La kanza aghna minal Kana'ati. There is no treasure greater than contentment. The person who is contented with the livelihood of the world is saved from anger, trouble, and sorrow. Ikna bima utita yakhaffa alaykal hisab. Be contented whatever you have been granted. This will make easy your account. According to Hadith Qudsi, wazatul ghina fil qanaati wa hum yatlabunahu fi kasratil mali fala yajidunahu. I have kept wealth in contentment, whereas people search it in the abundance of wealth which they will never find. Man raziya minallahi bil yasiri minal ma'ashi raziyallahu minhu bil yasiri minal amal. He who is pleased with the low livelihood from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is also pleased with his low deeds. Anzur ila man huwa dunaka wala tanzuru ila man huwa fawqaka fil qudrati. Look down on people below you, because this thing will make you content on the dominion of Allah Almighty.